Getting denied for a mortgage feels devastating, but here is what most people do not know. A denial is not a dead end. It is just a detour, and in most cases, it is completely fixable. My name is Duane Buziak. I am a licensed mortgage broker. And today, I am going to tell you the exact reasons most mortgage applications get denied, and more importantly, what you can do too. Turn that denial into an approval. The number one reason people get denied is their debt-to-income ratio being too high. This means the amount of debt you carry every month is too large compared to your income, and lenders see that as a risk. The fix is simple. Either pay down some existing debt, increase your income, or find a loan program with more flexible guidelines. The second most common reason is insufficient credit history, or a score that does not meet the lender's minimum requirement. If this is you, do not panic. There are specific steps you can take in as little as 60 to 90 days to raise your score enough to qualify. The third reason is employment history. Lenders want to see at least 2 years of consistent employment or self-employment income before they feel comfortable approving your loan. If you recently changed jobs or went self-employed, timing your application correctly makes all the difference. The fourth reason is the property itself not meeting appraisal or condition requirements, which is more common than people expect. Here's the most important thing I want you to take away today. One lender saying no does not mean every lender will say no. Banks have strict in-house rules, but as a mortgage broker, I have access to dozens of lenders, and what one rejects, another approves every single day. Call me before you give up, and let us find the right path forward for your situation together.